we live in today, health is the most important thing of all. It stands at risk the most, and sometimes we find ourselves second-guessing when it comes to our health. Is the air I'm breathing pure? Is the space around me germ-free? How do I keep my family safe from harmful viruses? We understand today you think twice before stepping out of the house. And that's why we made your home cleaner, purer and fresher. Homes with advanced air purification technology using CTMA3. A technology that purifies your living spaces by killing many germs and viruses from the environment, giving you purer air to breathe and cleaner environments to live in. Wondering how this works? When the polluted and germ-led outside air flows toward your home, it gets filtered in, killing the microbial viruses and germs. The filters installed inside the vent removes all toxins and germs as the advanced PHI technology works its magic. After filtering almost 99% of the germs, it releases centrally treated fresh air in all the rooms of your home. The impure returned air containing germs, bacteria and pollutants gets thrown out through exhaust air that is pushed out. At the same time, the heat exchanger restores the energy inside, ensuring that the temperature inside the room is maintained. CTMA3 is a revolutionary technology that has been successfully tested and proven to be effective against many viruses, including SARS-CoV-2. It also purifies air, improves indoor air quality, and reduces PM2.5 and PM1. CTMA3 is the future of healthy living as it neutralizes 97% of surface contamination within 15 minutes, making sure the environment around you is safe and clean. It doesn't just protect you from airborne and surface-borne diseases, but also kills 99% of the germs from a sneeze within 3 feet. The technology also prevents person-to-person contamination to stop the virus from spreading further. The customized fresh air units cover large spaces and ensure PM2.5 and PM1 within permissible limit. The pre-filter here takes care of coarse particles in the air. The carbon filter is designed to treat various VOCs and toxic gases. The electronic air cleaner uses electrostatic charge to remove dust particles and improves indoor air quality. HEPA filter is used in the final stage of very fine filtration at a higher efficiency. The virus purification comes with advanced oxidation technology with broad-spectrum UV. Safe and healthy living spaces, fresh air, energy recovery, virus-resistant homes, advanced active air purification, smart control.
Expands at GODREJ Nature Plus. Ready to revolutionize healthy living with the advanced CTMA3 technology.
One home at a time.
Haryana RERA registration number for the project GODREJ Nature Plus. RC/REP/HARERA/GGM/2018/18. Dated 15/06/2021. Details available at www.haryanarera.gov.in.